Welcome to the God Brain Games create a list and populate it to different powers at the time of creation tutorial. My name is Wale, and I'll be your programmer for the afternoon. Alright, so to get a final result of 0 through 100, so 0 through 10, you actually have to put it to 11, but this is what our final result's going to be. Alright, let me show you what we're talking about, I guess. Alright, so the syntax on the left side of the equation is what you want to name, is what you're going to name your list. You can name it anything you like, but I named it appropriately for the tutorial. Right side, this is just the num. It doesn't have to be num. Like I have list num right here. It's just whatever you want to name the actual numbers in the list. And then after that, this is where the only place it gets tricky is the for, and then the same variable name after the for, same variable name in range, and then the range is in parentheses, and just close that bracket, and that's it. Now you see we're at 11 now. It's 0 based, and that's the only reason how we got 10 squared up there. But if I put in range to 10, the highest number you're going to see is 9 squared, which is a cool 81. Yep. To raise this to different powers, we have an example of 3 right here. I'll comment the last one and the middle one. So all we're going to see is to the third power. And that's pretty much it. Yep. So 0 squared, 1 squared, or 0 to the third power, 1 to the third power, 1 to the third power, 2 to the third power. All right. And that's pretty much it. The only place that ever gets tricky is after the 4. For me, it gets a little tricky, just syntax wise. But if you ever have problems remembering it, you can come back to the God Brain Games Python repository, and it has this script or one close to it on the same topic. I'm going to put all the scripts from my own Python GitHub on there, so it's going to be much fuller than this. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll do one more example, I guess, to, I don't know, send you off. Let's see, everything to the 5th power. There you go. Have a good night, y'all. See ya.